name is Joy Nesbitt, and I am an MFA Theatre Director. I'm loving the Masters. I think one of the most beautiful things that I've gotten from this Masters is a sense of clarity and conciseness. I think before I came to the Lir, I had this understanding of theatre directing that you had to be up in the clouds, this idea that every word that you say has to be backed up by some theory. Whereas now, Annabelle Coleman and the staff of the Lir have kind of empowered me to think about who I am as a director and my own experiences and bringing that into the space. And not feeling like I have to back it up by anybody else's experiences besides my own, which just breeds really true work and has made me feel really confident to go into the professional world with plenty of fortitude to do the work and be honestly myself, which is great. My experience in the Lir. My experience in the Lir has been one of a lot of healthy challenges, a lot of curveballs on purpose to make you an adaptable artist. But also the Lir has been kind of a family for me. As somebody who's not from Ireland, when I first got to Ireland, I was a little bit confused. I didn't know anything about the culture. I was really unaware of what I was going to step myself into, and as soon as I set foot into the Lir, I was welcomed with open arms, and there was a lot of grace given to me to start to learn, first of all, Irish culture, but also how Irish culture informs Irish theatre to be really beautiful, and also in the process of decolonization in a way that I would like to apply to my own art as I go back to the US or to any other place in the world.